In the last class, we have discussed a general model of an LR parser and a LR parsing algorithm, and we discussed an example for parsing an input string id star id plus id using our LR parser algorithm. So this is the general model for an LR parser. We have input, then this is our stack will store the state information, then this is our LR parsing program or the driver program, and this is the output, and this is our parsing table and this parsing program will be, or the algorithm, LR parsing algorithm, that will be common for all our LR parsing techniques. They are SLR, CLR, then LALR. These are the different LR parsing techniques, and this model is common for all the LR parsing techniques, but the only difference is in the parsing table. So how to construct this parsing table, that we have to discuss next. So first we can consider the construction of SLR parsing table. And if you are using SLR parsing table here, then this will act as an SLR parser, and if you are using CLR parsing table for the parsing table, then this will become CLR parser, and if you are using LALR parsing table, then this algorithm or this model will become LALR parser. This is the algorithm for constructing SLR parsing table. So input is an augmented grammar G dash, output is the SLR parsing table functions action and go to for G dash. First step is construct C is equal to I0, I1, In, the collection of sets of LR0 items for G dash. G dash is our augmented grammar. Second step is state I is constructed from II, where II is the set of items, ith set of items. The parsing actions for state I are determined as follows. If A gives alpha, if A gives alpha dot A beta is in II, and goto of II comma A is equal to Ij, then set action part of our parsing table, action I comma A, to shift J. Here A must be a terminal. If A gives alpha dot is in II, that is the set of item II, then set action of I comma A to reduce A gives alpha for all A in follow of A. Here A may not be S dash. If S dash gives S dot is in II, then set action of I comma dollar to accept, that is the accept state. If any conflicting actions result from the above rules, we say the grammar is not SLR1 or simply SLR. The algorithm fails to produce a parser in this case, so we have to consider for the other method CLR or LALR. CLR or LALR methods, because the algorithm fails to produce a parser, SLR parser for this grammar. The grammar is not SLR1. Then next is how to compute the, or how to fill the goto part of our parsing table. The goto transitions for state I are constructed for all non-terminals A using the rule if goto of I comma A is equal to Ij, then goto of I comma A is set as small j. All entries not defined by rules 2 and 3 are made error. The initial state of the parser is the 1 constructed from the set of items containing s dash gives dot s. So this is the algorithm for constructing our SLR parsing table.